Kapalabhati or forced exhalation is something that has to be done without any jerk while exhaling. And essentially it is an abdominal massage as you do that. And the characteristics of it is, as you exhale, the diaphragm lifts up, the abdominal area goes in, and you feel the pelvic floor lift up. And the inhalation is passive. So let me demonstrate and make sure that there is no jerk in the process. When you begin doing Kapalabhati, keep your hand in the abdominal area, and as you exhale, exhale like you're blowing your nose, but without the jerk. Observe how much it is, how slow it is, and generally when it is done in this manner, there are no restrictions of who can do and who cannot do. Anybody can do it, but it has to be gentle. When you become very good at it, you will be able to do without jerk at a higher speed. In that case, it is okay. But again, the key word is no jerk and no quick pumping. So just watch how I do it without any jerk at a faster pace. This is how Kapalabhati is done.